Hey guys, what's going on? So I wanted to just do a real quick video of us soft washing. I'm hitting the side of the chimney, the front of the chimney where it like has the soldier, or not the soldier rose, but like the where it steps down. It always catches acidic rainwater there. And then on the side of the chimney, the J channel was allowing acidic rainwater to leach down, and then it saturates that brick and makes a habitat for algae to grow. So we touched that all up, put the screens up a little bit, hit behind the shutters to kill any bees and stuff. And then we flushed the screens real good before we put the window screens back down. When you're washing in the country like this, you always get bugs. But you can see how well it's working, how fast. Like whenever you see us stop spraying the soap, it's going to cut away for a minute while I put the Davidson Shooter Tip on. And it's literally like it's pretty much dead here, but I feel like you get a real hot mix with a X-Jet, way hotter than downstreaming, but I'm definitely going to jump on the downstreaming bandwagon. And you can see how the Davidson Shooter Tip, it shoots real high here, but it's not too much pressure, you know what I mean? It's not going to break a window or anything. Those Amazon shooter tips, right here is an Amazon shooter tip. See how much pressure that is? That's a lot of pressure. Now, it's good for stuff like this. Like I'm washing those little step downs on the chimney, and it's getting rid of all that moss and that algae real good. It's not enough to etch it and leave Zorro lines everywhere, but it has some pressure to it. I like the Kyle Davidson shooter tip better. And this is the setup we're rocking with this year. I just got this 8 gallon per minute. I have an 8 gallon per minute for sale if anybody wants one. 4 gallon per minute there. That hot water unit was 5.5 gallon per minute. And they're both hooked into the plumbed into the tank. That way for commercial work, somebody goes, rinses while the other one pops gum and stuff. I do a lot of other stuff, so I need ladders. I got a wide range of ladders. I need to get some hose reels set up on there, and I need to get something welded in for my surface cleaners. And I need to put my reclaim system on the back by August, but little by little, she's coming together. I hope you guys have a very good wash season this year. Take care.